Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Eufy battery is probably one of the most essential components for keeping your Eufy devices powered up and running smoothly, ensuring that your home security system or robot vacuum continues to perform at its peak without interruption. When your original battery starts to degrade, finding a reliable and compatible replacement is crucial to avoid downtime and maintain the efficiency of your valuable Eufy products, making this a vital consideration for any Eufy owner looking to extend the lifespan and functionality of their devices. Number 5. 3200 mAh replacement battery for Eufy RoboVac 11s. Keep your robot vacuum running longer with this high-capacity 3200 mAh replacement battery. It's designed to provide extended cleaning sessions, ensuring your floors are spotless. This battery is compatible with a wide range of robot vacuums, including Eufy RoboVac models and Ecovacs Deebot series. Please check the compatibility list to ensure a perfect fit for your device. Crafted with premium rechargeable cells and an adaptive chip, it ensures stable current and voltage for optimal performance. You can expect minimal degradation even after hundreds of uses. Enjoy up to 180 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. This powerful battery allows you to clean your entire home without interruption, making your cleaning routine more efficient. Designed for a perfect fit, this battery seamlessly integrates with your robot vacuum. It ensures your machine effectively picks up all dirt, dust, and debris from your floors. Your safety is paramount. This battery features built-in safeguards against short circuits, overvoltage, overheating, and overcurrent, providing a secure and reliable power source. What we like. This battery offers premium cells with an adaptive chip for stable performance. It boasts a low degradation rate, losing less than 5% capacity after 500 cycles. If you're looking for a long-lasting and reliable battery that maintains its performance over time, this is a great choice. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit for the Eufy RoboVac 11s. It holds a charge for a long time, providing extended cleaning sessions. The installation process was straightforward and took only a few minutes. Number 4. Eufy RoboVac replacement battery. This battery is designed to be compatible with a wide range of robot vacuum cleaners, including many Eufy and Ecovacs models. Please check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your device. Upgrade your robot vacuum with this 3000 mAh battery, providing up to 180 minutes of cleaning time. It's built with high-quality cells for long-lasting performance, maintaining capacity over many charge cycles. Save money with this affordable alternative to original batteries. It offers excellent value, especially for pet owners or households with multiple devices, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. Rest assured with our safety-certified battery, featuring built-in protections against overcharging and short-circuiting. It comes with a 365-day warranty for your peace of mind. Get your robot vacuum back to work in just 2 minutes. A free screwdriver is included, making installation a simple DIY task without any technical hassle. What we like. This option provides a 3000 mAh capacity and can withstand up to 800 charge cycles, maintaining 95% capacity. It's also cost-effective, saving you up to 50% compared to original batteries. If you're a frequent user, have pets, or multiple devices, and want a budget-friendly yet durable solution, consider this one. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit for my Eufy RoboVac 11s, and it holds a charge for a long time. Easy to install and my vacuum runs like new again. It holds a charge significantly longer than the old battery. Number 3. Powilling 14.4V 3500 mAh replacement battery. Ensure your robot vacuum runs smoothly with a battery designed for perfect compatibility. It works with a wide range of Eufy, Eufy, and Ecovacs models, so you can get back to cleaning without a hitch. Experience longer cleaning sessions with our upgraded 3500 mAh capacity. This battery offers significantly more runtime than the original, letting it tackle more of your home on a single charge. Your safety is our priority. This replacement battery is built with multiple smart protection systems to prevent overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, ensuring reliable performance. Getting your robot vacuum back in action is easy. Simply remove the old battery and connect the new one, no complicated steps, just quick and effortless setup. We stand behind our product with a 30-day refund guarantee and a 12-month warranty. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is ready to help you within 24 hours. What we like. With an upgraded 3,500 mAh capacity, this battery offers longer running times, potentially up to 210 to 300 minutes. It's designed for fast charging and can be used for up to 500 cycles. If you need extended cleaning sessions and a quicker recharge time for your robot vacuum, this is the one to go for. What people say. The battery has a good capacity and lasts a long time. It fits perfectly into the device and is easy to install. The product works as advertised and provides reliable power. Number 2. Sparkole 3500 mAh replacement battery for Eufy RoboVac and Ecovacs Deebot. Keep your home clean for longer with this high-capacity 3500 mAh battery. Enjoy up to 4.5 hours of cleaning on a single charge, making whole house cleaning effortless. Designed for longevity, this lithium-ion battery offers a service life of at least 2 years. It features a low self-discharge rate and no memory effect, making it an eco-friendly choice. This replacement is compatible with a wide range of Eufy RoboVac and Ecovacs Deebot models. Installation is simple, requiring just the removal of a bottom screw. Equipped with an upgraded smart chip and a professional battery management system, it provides multiple safety protections. This ensures safe and worry-free operation for your robot vacuum. We stand by our product with a 35-day refund policy and a 365-day warranty. Our 24-hour online customer support is always ready to assist you. Upgrade your cleaning experience and enhance your home happiness. This battery provides reliable power for your robot vacuum to keep your living space pristine. What we like. This 3500 mAh battery promises 3 to 4.5 hours of cleaning per charge and a service life of at least 2 years. It features an upgraded smart chip with multiple safety protections. If you prioritize extended cleaning duration and long-term reliability with advanced safety features, this battery is a solid pick. What people say. The battery has a good capacity and lasts a long time. It was easy to install and fit perfectly into my device. The replacement battery works just as well as the original one. Number 1. Fancy buying 14.4V 4000 mAh replacement battery. Introducing a high-capacity replacement battery, designed to power your robot vacuum for longer cleaning sessions. With a robust 4000 mAh capacity, it ensures extended performance. This battery is engineered for broad compatibility, fitting seamlessly with popular models like Ecovacs Deebot and Eufy RoboVac series. It's the perfect power solution for your cleaning companions. Equipped with advanced safety features, it protects against short circuits, overvoltage, and overheating. You can trust it for reliable and safe operation every time. Built with high-end components, including a protection IC, this battery delivers a powerful discharge capability. It's designed to provide maximum efficiency for your robot vacuum. We stand behind our product with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty against manufacturer defects. Enjoy your purchase with complete peace of mind. What we like. Boasting the highest capacity at 4000 mAh, this battery offers the longest potential runtime. It utilizes a high-end protection IC for robust performance and comes with a 1-year guarantee. If maximum cleaning time on a single charge is your top priority and you value a manufacturer's warranty, this is the best option for you. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit for my RoboVac 11S, and it holds a charge for a long time. Easy to install, and it brought my old RoboVac back to life. It runs for much longer now. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.